Development Center, Hyderabad. Today, let's discuss about whether is it okay if the child doesn't respond to his name call. So, in order to answer this question, we need to look at the age of the child. So, for a child of 3 to 5 months of old, if the child doesn't respond to his name call, then it is okay to wait for another 3 months. But when the child turns to 9 months or in 1 year of age, you should be very vigilant whether he is responding back to his name. That means whether he is recognizing that that is his own name or not. In case if the child is not recognizing, you have to go and visit your pediatrician and then do the further assessments of why he is not recognizing his name. Ideally, if you look into the developmental milestones, children should be able to recognize their name by the count of turn 1. And in few cases, we are also seeing that children are able to recognize when they are at 1 year of age and they are performing well till 15 months of age. But post that, they are not responding back in the same way to the name call as they have done before 15 months or around 1 year of age. So that's one of the major red flags, and you should be very vigilant and quick enough to get the necessary evaluations done. The basic testing which we generally recommend is a hearing testing. We might choose for the OAE, which is a hearing screener, or we might even suggest you to go for the BERA testing, which is a diagnostic hearing assessment. Hearing assessment is a very simplest way, and within one visit, you can finish your hearing test and understand whether he is not responding because of the hearing loss. If it is because of the hearing loss, then the treatment has to be structured as per the hearing in order to tackle the hearing impairment. But these days, what we are clinically noticing is many of the children who are not responding to name call, but still their hearing tests are normal, and subjectively when you notice them, they are very quick in responding to the Cocomelon rhymes, specifically the Cocomelon, or to some nonsense sounds. But they are not responding to their name. So that gives you a differentiating factor that there is something wrong in terms of their brain functioning, where they are unable to correlate their name to themselves, but they are able to hear the other sounds like Cocomelon. So if they are able to hear Cocomelon, you can subjectively understand that his hearing is good. It's not a hearing issue. But definitely there is something wrong beyond hearing where he is unable to recognize his own name. So please be vigilant, and if you have noticed any symptoms of not responding to name call, please immediately meet your pediatrician and get the further testings done. If you have any further doubts, please put it in your comment box.